Nokia 8.35G smartphone was launched on the 19th of March 2020. The phone comes with a 6.81-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and an aspect ratio of 20:9. Nokia 8.35G is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 processor. It comes with 6 GB of RAM. The Nokia 8.35G runs Android 10 and is powered by a 4500 mAh non-removable battery. Nokia 8.35G supports proprietary fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Nokia 8.35G on the rear packs a 64-megapixel primary camera with an f1.89 aperture, a second 12-megapixel camera with an f2.2 aperture and a pixel size of 1.4 micron, and a third 2-megapixel camera. The rear camera setup has autofocus. Nokia 8.35G based on Android 10 and packs 64 GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded via micro SD card, up to 400 GB. The Nokia 8.35G is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM cards. Nokia 8.35G based on Android 10 and packs 64 GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded via micro SD card, up to 400 GB. And 4G, with support for band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass, magnetometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. The Nokia 8.35G supports face unlock.